Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another Believe Beauty product, which is the Dollar General makeup brand, and a brand that has seriously become one of my favorites. I have been loving my Believe Beauty makeup products and they are so affordable. This is the Eyebrow Styling Gel. I got it in the shade Clear and it only cost $4. It also comes in a dark brown and a light brown, only 3 options, so I figured better to be safe and get the clear. But I love trying out brow gels. I need a brow gel every day. It's just become such an essential product in my makeup routine. So you may have noticed that I filled in one of my brows and the other brow doesn't have anything in it. So that way we can try this out with the pencil and without the pencil. The pencil that I'm using lately is the Item Beauty Brow Chow. So typically I would fill in my brows with a pencil and then top it off with a brow gel. So that's why I wanted to try it out with the pencil as well, because that's how I would normally wear it. So let's check out the wand. Oh, awesome. It's a very tiny wand, which I feel like is perfect for brows. I'm always confused when it's like a big mascara wand looking wand for the brow products. I'm like, that's just not difficult. So this seems like the perfect size. First, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the brow without any pencil. Yep, I mean, goes on clear. It's brushing through the hairs nicely. And I can feel like it really is actually getting onto all of the brow hairs. It doesn't seem like a dry or crunchy type of formula. It definitely seems like it has to dry it down, so I'm going to give it a little bit of time. And while I wait, go ahead and fill in the brow with the pencil. So we don't want it to move the pencil, smudge it at all. So let's see how it does. Ooh, seems to be doing a great job. And it's doing what I look for in a clear brow gel, which is to emphasize the brow hairs. So it kind of darkens the brow hairs a little bit, but more so it just kind of makes them look fuller and more prevalent. It didn't smudge the pencil at all, so ooh, that looks really good. Let's see if this has dried down. Yeah, it's dried down, but to a very flexible hold. So you can see I'm trying to move the hairs and they are not budging. That looks great. Now let's see how the brow, yes. I mean, there's a little bit of movement. Oh, it actually went back into place. I thought I moved the hair, but then it went back into place. So no crunchiness, which I hate when a brow gel becomes crunchy and crumbly. So that's not happening at all. It basically looks invisible in the brow, which is what I want, but it helped make the hairs appear more. So makes it look like more of a natural brow. I love how that looks. Wow. So my favorite clear brow gel is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, because that one is basically exactly the same. Not crunchy, helps to kind of emphasize the hairs, and this does the exact same thing for such an amazing price. So I will definitely continue using this. This is a perfect clear brow gel for me, and definitely a product that I would repurchase because I can save money and still get my ideal clear brow gel effect. I do love a tinted brow gel as well, so I'm tempted to try and get this in the light brown color, but the thing with Dollar General is it's hard to find certain shades. When I was doing my huge Dollar General makeup haul, I didn't see a light brown and you can't order it online. So I was just glad to be able to get the clear. And even if I'm sticking with the clear, I'm happy with this. But if you have tried out the tinted ones, I'd love to hear your thoughts on those in the comments down below. Also, of course, I want to know if you've tried out the clear one and what you think of it. But I am so impressed, not surprised because Believe Beauty makes amazing products, But seriously, like, I think this is a dupe for the high-end clear brow gels. It just looks so good. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.